Okay, so this video was for all my Detroit diesel lovers and diesel lovers at hand. This is my unicorn here, and I'm gonna show y'all a 6.5 liter diesel, turbo diesel with a loop tune by Heath. Now, one thing I want to explain. Yes, I do have the loop tune by Heath. Yes, it is extremely powerful. I have a dually, and I'm able to peel the tires off of this truck in first to second gear with no problem. So therefore, I would say if you plan on getting it tuned for the speed tune, keep your old tune. As you see here, you know, I got my old tune still here in the box. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in just for my daily driving and whatnot, and keep the Heath tune in case I want to go to shows or might need a little bit of pickup, might want to, you know, flash a little bit what this Detroit diesel's all about. But I will say also, I do have the Heath heavy duty lift pump too. I also purchased that, you know, and got some other mods done, but I'm extremely pleased with how they did it, Heath. And without further ado, I'm gonna give y'all diesel fanatics and y'all Detroit diesel fanatics just another taste of this loop tune. We're gonna get right back in it. And I did all this install myself, the tune, everything. This is my unicorn, and thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for seeing the truck. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment section. We can talk about it. To all you Detroit lovers out there, you know, got any questions, you want to meet up sometime, let me know, and we could do some modifications or whatever. But there it is, 6.5 liter turbo diesel with a loop tune by Heath. Thank you.